Now we are ready to install the ink tank for these printers. Okay, we're moving the parking. Okay, so we need a radial tool for screwdriver. As we can see, here should be have a screw for loading that's the tank. So we can just make the hole, the big hole for both the screw, then moving a little front, so lock the screw. Okay, another side. That should be ready. So now we are ready to connect the power cable. To see this only have one side, make them connect. Okay, and here on top, that's the ink tank. Have a smaller connector, is for yes, here on the bottom. Even with on, that means the bottle should be empty. So okay, now keep it off first. Now we're ready to connect the ink tube for the both of ink tank. Okay, the last one, the ink tube for the CN. Okay, and the last one should be black. So, okay, make sure. So we should be finished to connect the ink table for the printers right now. Okay, so here for the ink tank, they have a mark. Now even turn on, that should be open. Even turn off. Okay. So this step we already finished to install the ink tank for this machine.